Yesterday, April 28, we had a super fun and memorable day with Urban Sketchers Cebu. We were really honored to be invited to the ceremonial opening of the newly refreshed CBP Central Park. The park looks amazing, wide open spaces, lots of greenery, and a fresh new vibe that's perfect for relaxing, strolling, and of course, sketching. We grabbed our sketchbooks and just went for an impromptu sketch walk, capturing the park's beautiful new look as it officially opened its doors to everyone. And yes, it's open for all. Families, friends, and even for babies are welcome to enjoy the space. It's exciting to see a new spot in the city where people can just chill, move around, and create. We're so grateful to have been part of this milestone, and we can't wait to come back and sketch even more scenes as the park comes alive with people and pets. Here's to more art, more community, and more open spaces for everyone.